Step into the realm of QSD electric trikes, a ground not just for manufacturing but for innovation and dreams. Over the past 18 years, our footprint has extended to over 30 countries worldwide, with more than 1 million vehicles bearing witness to our growth and commitment. Therefore, we continue to create for you. At QSD, the birth of every electric trike starts with the pursuit of perfection. Our R&D team delves into every detail, from the initial concept to the final product, each step fueled by a passion for innovation and a commitment to quality. At QSD, the journey of every piece of steel begins with selecting the highest quality raw materials. Before entering our warehouse, each batch of raw materials undergoes stringent random inspections. Moving on to the stamping phase, our expertise lies in transforming steel into the fundamental components of electric trikes. Specifically for the bodies of electric motorcycles, we use steel with a thickness of 1.8 mm to 2.0 mm, ensuring each vehicle is not only lightweight but also sturdy and durable. Whether it's the skilled craftsmanship of manual welding or the advanced automation of robotic welding, QSD ensures unparalleled precision and consistency. Our electrophoretic painting process not only gives each electric trike a vibrant appearance but, more importantly, provides long-term protection against environmental corrosion. On QSD's assembly line, each vehicle is a meticulously crafted work of art. From the smallest screw to complex electronic systems, our expert team ensures every part is flawless, showcasing exceptional craftsmanship. After thorough inspections and fine-tuning, each QSD electric trike is ready to embark on its journey, safely packaged and loaded, set to be delivered around the globe. Our efficient logistics system ensures every vehicle arrives safely and promptly at its destination. With our strong manufacturing capabilities and the astonishing capacity of 800 vehicles per day, we proudly stand at the forefront of integrated industrial and trade services, offering both standard products and ODM services tailored to individual needs. QSD is not just a synonym for quality and innovation but also a bridge connecting the world. QSD sincerely invites you to visit our factory, where you will witness our professionalism and strength. Let's look for cooperation opportunities and create a better future together. QSD is looking forward to your arrival. Choose QSD,